Hey there, it's Steve again from Grimwood Hollow. This is the 5th Autumn's Oddities video showcasing my sideshow gaffs and reproductions. Are you ready for this? It's the Baby Bird Feeder. Yep, it's a mummified dead baby bird feeder. I know, what can I say? I have a pretty twisted sense of humor. So seriously, I had been joking about making these for over 25 years. It was just this messed up, goofy little idea I had that made me laugh whenever I thought about filling the eye sockets of a little baby corpse with birdseed and watching birds peck away at it. I know it's super twisted, but it made me laugh. Sorry. A few years ago, I finally stopped joking about it and sat down and made this thing. I sculpted it out of clay, made a silicone mold on it, and then cast them out of resin. Each one is hand painted and then sealed with a clear coat. All you have to do to get the party started is fill the empty sockets with birdseed, set it out in your yard, and then observe the natural behavior of your favorite woodland creatures eating out of a baby's corpse. Enjoy! It's meant to be a bird feeder, obviously, but it can also be used as a small candy dish, a bowl for jewelry and trinkets, or anything you can imagine. I mean, let's be honest, there's thousands of uses for a mummified baby. Well, I hope you had fun watching this video, and if you did, then there's something definitely wrong with you. Please follow us on Facebook if you want to know when we post new items for sale. The link is in the description below. See you later!